Welcome to the guide on creating an LLC in 2023. Are you ready to start your own limited liability company? Great. Let's form an LLC together by going to incfile.com or by clicking the link in the description below. It will take you to this page. Here's what you need to do next. First, hit Incorporate. When it comes to the entity type, choose LLC or Limited Liability Company. This is the best option for 99% of people. You don't need to worry about S Corp, C Corp, or non-profits right now, but if you're curious, let me know and I will make a separate video about them. Next, choose the state where you're doing business. This is where you have your actual business address. In our case, we're going to choose California. Make this decision very carefully. Consider all factors like taxation and annual renewal fee. Now, you have multiple packages to choose from. The best thing about incfile is that they are offering registered agent service free of cost for the first year. If you choose to go for a lawyer for this purpose, it can be very costly. Some other companies also charge for this. But it's free for the first year in all incfile packages. Now, you can pay extra if you want additional services, like if you want EIN, but all of these things can be formed on your own for free. So, we're going to go with the silver package for now. Enter your name, email, and phone number in the contact person box. This is not public information. This is for additional details for incfile. The mailing address is going to be the address that you're going to be using for any delivery of the documents that you order. Once again, it's not your business address. This is just the mailing address that you want all the stuff sent to. Now, choose a state. Now, choose a state filing time. Remember, you're forming your LLC with the state, and so they can be a little slow. If you want that sped up, you can pay an extra $50, and incfile will go turn in your paperwork for you right away. If not, it can take up to 4 weeks. I don't mind waiting, so I'm going to choose the 4-week filing time. Now, it's time to put in the information about your LLC. Choose your LLC name right here in this box. In this case, we're going to choose ALF Consulting. Notice how I didn't write the LLC at the end. That's because you need to choose the designator for your limited liability company. You can choose one of these 5 options. I always like to pick LLC because it's the easiest to remember, it's the easiest to spell, and it's less characters to type when I'm filling out paperwork. This is how the official company name will be displayed, ALF Consulting LLC. Next, choose the number of members that are going to be a part of this company. In my case, it's going to be just 1, but if you have more than 1 member, that's okay too. You can add as many people as you want to your LLC. If you make a mistake now and want to change it later, you can update your operating agreement. Now, choose an industry. I'm going to pick consulting to keep things simple. These are called NAICS codes, which identify the type of business that you do. It's not super important that you get it exactly. Just pick something that is generally correct for your business. Next, choose the management method. Are you going to be member managed or manager managed? Member managed is how it sounds. All the members of the LLC have equal rights and can make decisions on behalf of the LLC. When you have a manager-managed LLC, it's the manager's responsibility to make decisions for the company, such as processing official paperwork and opening bank accounts. When you're only one person in an LLC, it is going to be considered a single-member LLC, which is the same as manager managed. If you're more than one person, I suggest member managed. You can always change things in your operating agreement later. Now this is the tricky part here. This is where you're going to put your company address. If you're not sure about what address is best for your company, check out this video here. But the cool thing about incfile is that they also offer the service of virtual address. So this is what we are going to select right now, which means you will be paying $20 a month to incfile, and they will assign you a unique virtual address, where they will receive your mail on your behalf and they will open and scan it for you and forward it to your email that you provided. So no one will have access to your home address, as this is the public information. You can also check out Anytime Mailbox to get a virtual address for your company. The link is available in the description. In this case, I will decline the upgrade offer, but it's important to remember that it's an option if needed. Moving forward, we will be providing personal information about all members of the LLC. If any members are companies, their information must also be provided. However, if this is the first LLC, selecting the individual option will suffice. The assigned company address provided by incfile will be used, and if there's more than one person, ownership can be adjusted accordingly. It's important to note that every LLC formed in the United States requires a registered agent to receive mail on behalf of the company from the government. While there are various services available at varying costs, incfile offers registered agent services for a nominal monthly fee that can be cancelled at any time. However, it's also possible to be your own registered agent, but this would mean using your own address, which will be public. Lastly, incfile offers assistance with business permits and licenses, but these can be obtained independently by researching and contacting the state and city where the LLC is located. Once all information has been confirmed and verified, the final step is to provide billing information for payment using a credit or debit card. It's important to keep the receipt for the LLC formation, as it can be used as a write-off during tax season. It's also important to note that filing fees vary by state and are separate from the fee charged by incfile for their services. In conclusion, while there are various services offered by incfile to assist with LLC formation, they are not necessary and can be done independently for free. If you like learning from me, check out my other videos. Also like, share and subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, keep hustling.